We're going to talk a little bit about here just a couple of new things or things that have been changed. Very simple things, but could make your life a lot easier. So I'm just going to go here and open a file. And we're just going to open up a blank file. Under Preferences, if we go to File, Preferences, Interface, we now here have Open Process Dialog on Upload. What that means is, if you switch this on, whenever you double click a finished operation, the process will automatically open. Now you could switch that on or switch it off. In this case it's defaulted to off. You can default it to on if you so desire. The next thing we'll talk a little bit about is some geometry creation stuff here. So we've changed a couple of things. So let's go to our geometry palette and to our shapes. And we'll talk about the box. Now I know this is simple, but we've changed it now so that you can put it wherever you like. Any one of the corners, in the center, wherever you'd like to put it. So I'll just say do it. And now the lower left-hand corner is the start of the box. Simple, yet if you use this command, it's very nice. The next thing I'd like to talk about is, again, under Geometry, Shapes, Offset. We've added a checkbox at the bottom here for square corners. Historically, when we would offset, we would get these rounded shapes or rounded corners on everything. Now by switching on square corners and say do it, you now see that the corners are square and everything looks nice. Again, these functions are simple, but I believe that they will make your life a little bit easier at the end of the day.